Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Today's recipe is Appam with vegetable stew. First of all, soak 2 cups of raw rice in water, around 1 hour. After 1 hour, rinse the rice and drain the water. Now, with this, add 3/4 cup of grated coconut, 3/4 cup of cooked rice, half teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of sugar. Grind it in mixer. Keep it until 8 to 10 hours for fermentation. After 10 hours, add a pinch of baking soda and mix it. Now heat the Aappam pan, pour the batter, and spread it. Sprinkle some oil over this. Close it and cook for 3 minutes. Now the Aappam is ready. Let's see how to make the vegetable stew for this. Heat a pan. Add 3 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once it is crackled, add 1 chopped onion. Saute it around 2 minutes. Now add 1 sprig of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 1 vertically sliced green chili. Saute it for few minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Saute it until its smell goes away. Now add the vegetables, 1 cup of chopped carrot, half cup of chopped beans, 1 cup of chopped potato, 1/4 cup of green peas. Now saute it few seconds. Add little amount of water and 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it, then close it and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add 1 cup of coconut milk, little water. Cook it until it boils. Now add 1 teaspoon of pepper powder, sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now the vegetable stew also ready. You can use coconut milk as alternative for side dish. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.